Continuing from last episode where we left from Rameshwaram and headed towards Kanyakumari via the coastal road. This passed through good roads with mainly coconut plantations all through. Crosswinds here were terrible and along with extreme heat we got tired soon enough. But the Pamban bridge and the turquoise blue water along with the epic sunrise at Dhanushkodi was constantly playing in mind, deviating our thoughts away from heat. We crossed numerous long bridges like these, but the rivers were completely dry as it was peak summer season. We also witnessed places where salt was being separated from water and sent for processing, which finally lands in our kitchens and table. Finally, we reached the road along the national highway which ends and which is also the tip of mainland India. The main agenda or the purpose of this ride was to reach the southern tip of mainland India on motorcycles. Previously, we had been to Ladakh, which is in the northernmost state of India, by motorcycle, which was in the previous June 2017. We also decided that we should go to the easternmost and the westernmost point of India sometime in the near future. Now enjoy this epic sunrise time lapse from Kanyakumari. We went to the Vivekananda Rock Memorial on a ferry and also saw this very huge Tiruvallar statue. On the return journey, we saw this very huge and gigantic windmills by the side of the national highway. Also, the heat was very intense and we wanted something to cool down, which is where we stumbled upon Cafe Coffee Day. After donning these coolers, we planned not to go to home, but instead we wanted to go somewhere which would be inviting weather-wise. Can you guess the place where we went next? It was already 3:30, that is when we realized we are yet to have lunch. Since many places on the way were closed, we thought we will give it a try here and we had one of the best biryanis along with kebabs.
ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಇಂಥ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಇವರು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಬಂದಂಗೆ ಬರಲಿ ಜನ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಂತ.
If you guessed it right, yes, the ascent started and we were going towards Munnar to enjoy these curvaceous roads and mesmerizing views all along. The views were so nice that all of us were literally confused and we wanted to stop randomly at different places to click and also be clicked. Is this not what you want? Lush green vegetation on either side, literally nil traffic, no pollution, no one to disturb you and nature, nothing else. Imagine summers being like this and how the monsoons would turn out to be. I had almost more than 25 GB of video recording of the entire ascent of Munnar. The views were so nice that I did not want to take off anything from the video. After a tiring day, next thing we wanted was to crash into a nice cozy place and checked into Club Mahindra Resorts in Munnar. We even had parking next to the room balcony. I did not want to miss an opportunity to fly my drone, and hence I took some nice aerial shots of the surrounding views and of the resorts. Do check out the full video for the complete drone shots. Since Munnar was a last minute plan, we could not explore, and with heavy hearts we left back to our home, only to be thinking of coming back and seeing this place in monsoons. We saw this lake in the far off distance and got some good views from here. After a heavy lunch in Talapakattu biryani in Dindigal, the return was uneventful. This 4-day ride of southern states of India was one of the best, and we plan to revisit Munnar to explore better. Thanks for watching.